another episode. We are currently on the way to the jet wash. My bike is absolutely filthy. It needs a good old clean, but yeah, it's a horrible day. It's like 50-mile-an-hour wind gusts. Yeah, killing me. Story time though. I went to Wales once on the bike, and there were 70-mile-an-hour wind gusts. Couldn't take the motorway, so I had to go all the way up to Birmingham to get back to London to avoid the winds on the motorway. It was horrendous. Ever since then, I've been scared of bridges. Yeah, it was horrendous. I don't recommend riding in 70-mile-an-hour winds. And that was on the CB600F as well, so pretty tall and light bike. Never again. On this, I don't think it would be too bad because it's pretty low to the floor. So, but yeah, jet wash time. But yeah, I had to search far and wide for this jet wash. There's not many around anymore. It's mostly hand car washes and shit, but yeah. Filthy, look at it. Absolutely disgusting. I'll show you it real quick. Look at this crap. Working at the car wash. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Alright, time for my favourite part. This is the most satisfying thing ever. But yeah, boys, look at that. Looks like it's been snowing. So satisfying, I love it. Use brush, can't use the brush, it's too big. 4 black lance, cold rinse. Try and get all this crap off. It looks horrendous. Anyway, I can smell the water burning on the bike. But yeah, back to story time. So, went to Wales, Brecon Beacons. Fine the whole way there, you know, stayed for, I think it was 4 days. And yeah, on the way back, 70-mile-an-hour winds. Couldn't take the M4, is it the M4? I can't remember. Basically couldn't take the motorway because of the wind. And yeah, it took us the whole way up, trying to avoid motorways. We had to go all the way up past Brecon Beacons, up to Birmingham, and then back down, just to stay inland away from the coastal winds. Took, I think it was 10 or 11 hours to get back from Wales to central London. It was horrible. Horrible. So, never doing that again. Took us through the Valley of the Dragon, I think it's called. That was windy as hell. Took us on some dirt roads. 2 up on dirt roads on a CB500X. Yeah. Not the best experience I've had. But we made it. 11 hours later, I was dead. So it was still windy, like on the back roads, on the inland, it was still windy. So my neck, my back, everything was just gone. I think I slept for like 20 hours a day after. But yeah, that's my story about wind. Hate it. Don't mind this wind now, like 50 mile/h gusts. It's a lot nicer on this thing. So yeah, sorry if you can hear the wind, but can't really do much about the man upstairs, can we? But yeah, another thing I wanted to talk to you guys about is my girlfriend might be getting a motorbike. She wants the Royal Enfield Himalayan, because I keep talking about the Tiger and doing the TET off-roading, and she can't come with me. Like, we take her to bike meets and stuff, she loves it, but she can't come with me on the TET, so she'd have to have her own bike, and she loves the Royal Enfield Himalayan. So do I. It looks amazing, it sounds amazing. From what I've heard, it's a really good bike, especially for a beginner as well. It'd be her first motorbike. But yeah, she might be jumping on the bike life as well, which will be interesting. And I like that as well. Like, she can come, I don't have to have a pillion.